In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a dependent on TurboTax. If you need to update a dependent on your tax return, TurboTax makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. This is useful if you need to correct personal details, adjust household information, or review what was previously entered before filing. The key is to move carefully through each screen and double-check your updates before continuing. To get started, sign into your TurboTax account and open the tax return you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct return before making any changes, especially if you've worked on more than one tax year or account. Once your return is open, look to the left sidebar and click My Info. This section is where TurboTax stores your personal details, household information, and the people connected to your return. Next, scroll down until you reach the Your Household section. Here, you'll see the dependents currently listed on the return. Find the dependent you want to change, then click Revisit on that person's card. This will reopen the dependent interview, so you can go back through the related questions and make corrections or updates. As the screens appear, update the dependent's information wherever needed. Take your time here and read each prompt carefully. Even small details can affect how the dependent is treated on your return, so accuracy matters. If TurboTax asks follow-up questions based on your changes, continue answering them as they come up. Keep moving through the dependent interview until you reach the review portion. This is your chance to confirm that the information now reflects what you intended to enter. Review your changes closely before moving on. If something doesn't look right, you can usually go back and fix it before continuing. After you've completed all required information, click Continue. TurboTax will save your updates and return you to the main flow of the return. From there, go back to the Your Household section and confirm that the dependent's updated information is now showing correctly. This final check can help you catch any issues before you proceed. Once everything looks good, continue with the rest of your tax return. It's always a good idea to stay alert for any review messages later on, since changes to dependent information can sometimes affect other parts of your filing. Thanks for watching.